What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. So today I'm going to be hanging out with you for the last bit into the close, and I want to go through some of the picks. We had some amazing trades today. It was an exceptional day, and I'm really excited to go over the plays. So let me go ahead here and just get this out to everyone. And let's take a look at the price action. So on SPY, guys, I'm here on SPY right now. Let me just go ahead on Twitter, make sure everybody got this. One sec. All right, good. Looks like we got it out. All right, okay. So I'm gonna start off with SPY today and just walk you guys through how that went. So we literally did the same thing that we did yesterday on SPY, and we are able to bank. That's why it's so important to have a system that you trust and that you can rely on. And everything that I do, guys, is based on back-tested data. It's based on my own trades. I never do things that I don't know what the numbers are. I always try to make sure I know what the numbers are going into my place, right? So you can see here we started off with a gap up. One sec, guys, let me just retweet this. Right now, come. All right. Yes, so I'm going to go to the 3-minute chart first and just break this down. So you can see that we clearly gapped up above the previous day's high, right? And anytime we gap up above the previous day's high, then we know that there could be a potential for a stop run for the bears, right? Because just remember, anyone that did short overnight or anyone that did take a short position into the close, when we gap up like this, they're going to be in danger of getting stop run, right? And we're going to be pressing up to the territory where they might have to cover their position. And that's why I like playing the 3-minute right off the bat, because it's a very powerful tool to get you into the trade right at the open. So these right here, guys, so I'm going to walk you through. Let me pop up the Discord just to show you guys a step-by-step process. Let's shout out to some people here. Nikki Boons, what's going on, brother? Appreciate you. Awesome day in the Trading Wars Spy VIP. Thank you for the insight, Rich. Thank you very much. P Lawler, what's going on? Yeah, we got a new icon there. We got the Holy Grail now, right? So feel free to do the Trading Wars Holy Grail. Welcome, John. Good to see you, brother. All right, so here we go. So in the setups right here, this is where I go through my plays every single morning with you guys. All right. So right here we started off. Nice gap off. So this is 9:30. What's going on, Andrea? Nice gap up off the open. We'll be trying the orb 3-5-15. Use small size today since market is closed tomorrow. Big bull bar here. So that's the first thing that I saw that big bull bar. Alex, what's going on, brother? So we had that big bull bar right there. And with that bar, guys, all it did right here is it just took the breakout. So the bar, we broke above the high, and that was my entry to go long. Very simple. But the opening range breakout, you need to know when to use it. So I use it in a very specific situation here with that gap up going into the last day of the week, etc., right? So that's the reason that worked. And then you can see it over here. We got the partial targets right away. And then, like I said, beautiful breakout here, guys, 1-to-1. And then I had just a little runner left at the end of the day. And that one is still running right now. See that? So that's beautiful on the 3-minute chart. Very clean. Now, if we go on to the picks for today, guys, MU was just an absolute monster, guys. Like, look at this pick right here. Look at this pick, guys. It's just absolutely disgusting here. So MU is well over 500%, guys. And it's the same thing. Let me go to the daily chart and tell you why I was interested, right? Look at this. I said this yesterday, right? I said, okay, we had this inside bar on MU. We had the inside bar right there. So I was looking today for continuation of this gap. And check this out, guys, today. Exceptionally, look at this. Wham! Beautiful, okay? Let me go to the Twitter and let me just show you guys. So let me just show you guys the picks, right? So every day I post the picks. So the Lotto picks were Oracle, Comcast, Facebook, and MU. And then I also had some trading plans here, and I'm going to show you guys something pretty interesting, okay? So check this out right now. So I posted the trading plan last night for MU. Check this out. The entry was 90.32. That's an automated entry. So as soon as it touches 90.32, we're automatically in the position. And now let me go ahead and draw 90.32. And I'm going to show you guys something important here. Okay, check this out. 90.32. Look at this, guys. See that? Beautiful. And right off of that, guys, we have the, so what I normally do is you can see the low right here was 90.35. So what I do is I always add 3 cents. I always add 3 cents to my limit order. Always. Always, 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 right? That's one of the rules, because when you put a stop limit order in, you have to have 2 orders. You have to have a stop, which and a limit. So the limit is the maximum that you're going to be willing to pay. So in this case, guys, exactly catching the low with the 935 entry. All right. And if you missed that, that's totally fine, because right after that, we had an opening range breakout here on the 3-minute that just exploded. And I know everybody today that follows me, that actually pays attention, I know that they absolutely crushed it today. And I'm very, very happy. I see some gains. Let's see. Let's see some of the gains today. I see some, like one guy had like 2,000%. So look, 500% right there. And one of my other followers, he had, I think 2,000%, if I can find it. Okay, that's 500%. Where is it? Where is it? There we go. 2,016%. Like, this is absolutely insane when you think about it, guys. So MU, a killer today, a killer. Facebook, guys. So let's look at Facebook. So Facebook, we open right here, guys. It's the same thing. Same type of setup here. Opening range breakout. There was some heat on display, but normally, like I said, and I'm writing about it in my book right now, whenever I take a lotto play, guys, I'm always going to take full risk. And I talked about that yesterday on the Trendspider stream. So when you take the Facebook right here, guys, whatever you put in, you have to be willing to lose. That's just the nature of the game, because it's very hard to have a stop loss on the actual options, because they're so volatile on 0 days to expiry. But if you wanted to have a stop loss, you're always going to put your stop loss below the low of that opening range breakout if you want to be conservative. And you can see right here, guys, it never actually comes back and breaks that. So beautiful, beautiful entry there. And then let's move on. So Comcast is a beauty, another beauty. We gapped up, guys, and then right after that gap up, we had a inside bar on the 3-minute chart. So let's go to the 5 and also see, right? So you could have taken the opening range breakout on the 3-minute, the 5-minute. There was an inside bar, boom. There was another one right here, and then look at the Nirvana. The Nirvana pops up, the Holy Grail pops up. Beautiful. So guys, any one of my Trading Wars Army members, can you hit me with the new Trading Wars Holy Grail emoji? Because that's what we do. Check out this Holy Grail, bam, Holy Grail, bam. Anybody with the Trading Wars Army, hit me with the Holy Grail, the new one. Next, we had Oracle. So Oracle was probably the hardest one of the day. I mean, there still was a decent opening range breakout that had a little push down, but when you start going sideways like this, very, very difficult to kind of make money. So we'll let that one be a loser. No big deal. But like I said, guys, all you need to do is you need to catch one of these once a month, and it could definitely pay for your month, right? If you got 2,000% on this, 500% on this, it will pay for your month, guys. It definitely will. So amazing, amazing trades. Let's look at SPY again. Let's see if we can catch anything into the close. Working on an inside bar right now. So we'll let that close. We'll let that close so that we can see if there's any trading opportunities. But you just got to be careful when you go into the close, especially on a long weekend. You don't really want to take new positions into the close because you never know what the news can have. But you can definitely scalp a little bit for fun into the close, right? Not like if you already made money like me in the morning. So you already made money here on this 3-minute opening range breakout. You don't want to give it back near the end of the day, because sometimes the patterns near the end of the day are less reliable. But you could definitely practice, right? And risk small size. And that's what we're trying to do here, is practice and learn. If I take this Fibonacci right here from this low to high, I could see that likely high. Yeah, so we're here on a 618. That's what I thought. Let's see if this closes with an inside bar on the 5, and maybe it will give us a nice little setup there. Okay, and I'll walk you guys through how to do that. I guess everybody is busy today because we don't have much people here. So I appreciate everybody that is here right now. I appreciate that. So thank you very much. Okay. Yeah, so let's let that close. Appreciate that. And otherwise than that, guys, I got out of D-Dog today. So you guys know D-Dog was one of my swing trades. I got out of it today for my options. I didn't quite get it all out at the highest point that I wanted to, but I still almost tripled them. So I'm okay with that. That was pretty good. So this inside bar is no longer valid. We broke through the high, right? So nothing really to take right now. See on the 3-minute. Nope. So we just wait. The goal of the bulls right now, guys, is they want to close at the highs of the day. They want to assert their dominance, and by the close, they want to close at the high. So that would completely flush the shorts out of the market. And you can see here, guys, if we go to the weekly, this is what I was talking about on the swing trade perspective. Is SPY wants to make new all-time highs. It's trying its best. We could potentially make new all-time highs into the close, maybe if we get an algo push. So we'll see. We'll see, guys. Yeah, so how was your trading today? I hope you guys caught MU. That one was like a freebie. That was a Christmas gift. So how did your trading go today? Trading Wars Army members, any chart requests for me right now? Anything, any questions? And I'm just gonna show this again because someone asked me. If you guys want to join the Trading Wars Army, it's a great way to support me, guys, because I do these plays. I do this almost every single day. So right here, guys, Trading Wars Army. To join the Trading Wars Army, there's going to be a button here that says join, and it's $4.99, guys. You get priority access to asking me for chart requests and questions, and I'm going to do some special streams for my members. So appreciate you guys. Any questions? Let's see what we have. So these are all the picks for the week here. Pretty clean. And what I'm going to do, guys, right after the close, I'm going to just go ahead and I'm going to start scanning for new swing trades for next week. Yep. So I see a lot of people on the 3-minute orb. Let's talk about that a little bit more, right? Let's talk about that 3-minute a little bit more. Go ahead, hit the replay here. Right. So at the time when this is MU, right? When we have a 3-minute pop like this, guys, you might be a little bit worried about taking the play because you see, oh, it's already, the candle is so huge. But you have to remember that we're coming off of an inside close from the previous day. So any candle here is going to look big relatively because yesterday the price action was very tight. And it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. What I'm thinking about is even before getting into the orb, guys, I'm going to test a little strategy here, is just taking these inside bars. I want your opinion on this. Give me your opinion on this. So when MU closes with an inside bar like this, right at the close, to just buy calls before this day even happens. What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about that? So right here on the 22nd, which was yesterday, right when MU closes with an inside bar, just buy the calls right away instead of waiting for any confirmation the next day, because the whole reason for that is the premium is still going to be cheap on this day. It's still going to be cheap. And then from there, you can just lock in, take a full risk. It's like a lotto play, right? So take a full risk. And then if you gap up or if you get going the next day, you're going to make a lot more money. So what do you guys think about that? Let me pull up the options chain here so we can look at this. See some people say they've considered that method. That's great. That's great. Okay, we have another inside bar here working potentially on this is MU actually. So let's keep MU there. SPY, another one. So let's just keep these two up. So we could check this back at 345. Let's go ahead and feel like. All right. So let's go here and let's do MU options chain. So this is an easy way to look at the option chain because in case you don't want to open the broker, right? So let's go here to MU. And let's look at the calls. So the calls that we wanted to do for MU were the 91 calls, okay? So if we go right here and we go to the 91 calls, okay, so now look at this. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab. So the 91 calls themselves are up 688%, right? So if we go here and we look at this in detail, so the calls were as low as 69 cents today, and they went to a high of 3.95. So obviously 69 cents is going to be the price right at the open. Okay, that's going to be the price right at the open. If I go to here to the daily chart, maybe we can see what this closed with yesterday. So yesterday, guys, look, you see this? Yesterday it closed at 42 cents. So if you bought it right at the close, you would have gotten it for 42 cents. Does that make sense? And if you got it for 42 cents, then you would have been a lot better than 69 cents. You could make a lot more money, right? But obviously, it's a little bit more of a gamble. But if we look at the price action on the chart, like if we look at the daily chart for MU, we could see that we wanted to go bullish. So it would make sense to buy those calls. All right. So you guys following me there? Hit me with the one if you're following me there. Boom, Andrea. Merry Christmas and thank you for all you do. And with the $9.99, thank you, Andrea. I haven't seen you in a while. I appreciate you being here, and happy holidays to you and your family. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much. So you guys understand what I'm saying there? It's using a price action and just saying, okay, I have a chance here. I'm gonna just bet on it going up because I can see the price in the market wants to go up, and taking a chance like that. If you wait here for the 3-minute orb, you're not going to get it until a little bit later, right? And that might be a problem, right? Always, so that's something to consider. We can definitely check that out. So here we go. We have MU and SPY. So SPY is not going to close with the inside bar, but MU will. So let's look at this inside bar on MU. Hopefully it still closes. Where's my timer? I don't know how many seconds are left, but let's go. Let's go ahead and draw that like that. Boom. Okay, so let's get ready for this inside bar on MU. And then we'll just be ready. So essentially what you're looking for here, guys, is you're looking for the break of this bar, okay, to the upside or to the downside. That's what the inside bar is just showing you a period of consolidation. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to take it either way. And we're going to use the Fibonacci's to help us take the target. So what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to do a little bit of a front run approach here. No, don't break. Oh my God. So there goes our inside bar, guys. There goes our inside bar. Right before the close, we had a little bit of a push up. So I don't know if we're going to get one to trade on stream, but yeah, nothing. I don't really see nothing. I see a Nirvana here with a nice 1-to-1 push down. Nothing really here on the 5. Well, we'll just hang out more and check it out. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, like I mentioned earlier, after the close, I'm going to go to the weekly chart and I'm going to start scanning all of these stocks for plays into the year end and going forward. And you can already see something like MU here. This is going to be one of the picks on my list for sure, because we had that outside bar right there, right? And with that outside bar, this is a great opportunity to look for the next push into all-time highs, as well as a potential for a multi-year breakout, really, right? This could be the low for the next few years. You know what I'm saying, guys? Like these outside bars, when we take out these new all-time highs, this bar might never break ever again, period. It might never, ever break. We might just continue to go higher from here. So these are the opportunities that I like to look for and see if we can capitalize on that, okay? So do you guys like swings more than the day trades or the day trades more? Hit me with a seat like what I said, guys, right? The SPY, the bulls are trying to close at the highs. That's their goal for today. They want to close at the highs. Okay? They want to make sure that they get all the way to the all-time high and close. They don't have to get the all-time high, but they want to get the high of the day at least. Because what that's going to do, guys, it's going to run a lot of bears out of the market because no one's going to really want to be holding short into that. So hit me with a 1 if you are day trading more, or hit me with a 2 if you're swing trading more. So 1 for the day trade, 2 for the swing trade. So one of my biggest positions, guys, Cisco Systems. I was telling you guys about that one, right? So Cisco, I clipped over 6,000 today on that. I'm going to be holding that going forward. But look at that, guys. See, the bulls, they want to push in. They want to close at the all-time highs. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get any entries, like no inside bars or whatever, but that's okay. You don't want to force things for the hell of it, right? You don't want to force things for the hell of it. You want to make sure that you are actually taking setups that fit your plan. So let's look at Tesla. Tesla, right? I just wanted to point this out. So Tesla, we had that outside bar. This is what we called out on the 21st of December, guys. And check this out, right? Look at this. We're continuing higher and higher and higher. So we had a gap up, opening range breakout, push, another leg up. Beautiful. I feel like everybody is banking this week, guys. Everybody should be. I mean, the market was very fair, very, very fair this week. It's like literally like giving us a holiday gift, literally. So hit me, you know what? Let's take a little vote, a little quick vote here. So hit me with a 1 if you made money this week. Hit me with a 2 if you didn't. Hit me with a 1 if you made money this week. Hit me with a 2 if you didn't. Tesla is a keeper. Yep. Yeah. Like if you look at Tesla here on the weekly, this was the first time that I called out Tesla on one of my free option swing ideas. You can see right here, Tesla calls above 623.95. So I did get in. I got in on this inside bar, guys. I took this one. It broke. I got in long. And I covered my position way too quickly on this one because look at this, guys. It went to all-time high. So I really messed up on this one. I just looking back, I wish I just held it a little bit longer, but I did get in right here, guys. Right here on this tweet. I wonder if I can click on this tweet. Oh, I can. Tradingview is awesome. Look at this. So make sure you're tuning into those free picks that I post because they're really, really good. So what I'm going to do now, let's go to the December swing log here. Let's see where we're standing at. So the only orders we had left open were Oracle and NCLH, right? So let me see if I want to close those. Let me show you guys how I do that. So let me just keep SPY open here just in case. See anything? Nope. There we go, guys. Keep pushing, keep pushing. What was I saying? Yes. So let's see. So Oracle, let's take a look at that. Yeah. So Oracle, my game plan this week was to take it long if it broke this high. But as you can see with Oracle, it's actually very bearish. And instead of breaking the high, it broke the low. So I did not get involved in this trade at all. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and close this trade. So I'm just going to go hit closed here in the spreadsheet. And I'm just going to put this in gray. So this is my process, guys. I'm just trying to show you what I do. So that's how you go back to the chart and then you see, okay, what should I get rid of? What should I remove? And let me go ahead now and let me just close that in the broker too. So I have my broker and then I'm going to see if I can find some picks for you guys into next week right now. We can just do it together. So Oracle right here, I'm going to cancel that trade. Okay. So I was waiting for it to break to the upside, but it never did. So that's totally fine. We just go on to the next trade now. So now let's look at NCLH. So NCLH, I was looking to short that one. And you can see that it never wanted to go down. It just been going up all week long. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel NCLH2 because I never got filled on it. So I'm just going to go ahead here, put that in there. Boom. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. So these are all the swing trades for December so far. Not the day trades. These are just the swing trades. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel NCLH. Are you guys cool if I start doing some scans? Are you okay to hang out with me and we can do some scans together? What do you guys think? Hit me with a 1 if you're okay to hang out and do some scans. All right, good. Let's do some scans. So my scanners are in Think or Swim, guys. I can't show you everything, obviously, because it's for my paid members. They get the scanners for life. But I'm going to just do some here, and then we can look at the charts together. And I can give you some idea of my process. And in the meantime, let's check out SPY. Doing its thing, guys. Nice. Holy Grail. Look at that Holy Grail right there. See that one? Beautiful Holy Grail. Took you into the close. Hit me with the Trading Wars Holy Grail. TWHG. To support the Holy Grail. It's beautiful. Everybody went out today? Everybody's already in the club today? So this is one of my so I have 500 bucks in my TD account, and it allows me to use their scanners. Before, you didn't have to put in any money into scanners to use them, but now you have to have something in it, right? So let me just move this over here. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and do you want inside or outside bars scanned first? Which one? So hit me with a 1 for the inside bars, hit me with a 2 for the outside bars. I don't think there's going to be much inside bars this week because of all these gaps. But there looks like there is a few actually. So hit me with a 1 or 2. I see a dead split right now. All right, so let's start building up the watch list together. Let's go here on the green list. Let's get rid of this. So this is what I see. So normally I put down a bunch of them and then I come back and figure out which ones I want to get rid of. CLF, Roblox, MRK, Coca-Cola, Marvel, QS. It's a lot, man. You gotta put Kraft Heinz up in there. Start. FedEx. A lot. There is a lot. Progressive. All right. So let's see what we got here, guys. So we'll go to the weekly. So this is Lucid Group. Double inside bar. Don't really trade this name at all. But, that's a good pattern. Let's go next. Sophie. Inside. Again, so let me put these two at the bottom. I don't really trade those. Snap. Nice inside bar here on Snap. Remember, Snap had that gap down from earnings, right? So the question is, are they looking for a relief bounce here right now? That's the question. So because of that bad earnings, I'm going to put Snap down at the bottom of the list. Don't really want to play it. Microsoft, this is a beauty. This is a holy grail. Beautiful holy grail on the weekly. This is going to be one of my top picks going into next week, 100%. So hit me with the TWHG for the holy grail. Hit me with the TWHG. So if you guys have the TWHG, the holy grail icon is supposed to pop up, right? So Trading Wars members, the army members, hit me with a TWHG. Let me see the holy grail. So that's a beautiful holy grail there. I love it. Hood. Man, this thing's got beaten up, eh? This thing got beaten up. I'm gonna put that at the bottom. Not really interested. Gold. I think this is supposed to be Barracks gold. You see? Gold. I think it's supposed to be this one. Yep. So that's interesting. Not really too interested though. Roblox, nice little inside bar. CLF, it's been going sideways for a while, so kind of hard to take this. We'll see. Roblox, like I said. Twitter, nice inside bar. MRK, nice one. Coca-Cola, that's good. Marvel, double inside. Put that near the top of the list. I like trading that company. Coca-Cola. Oof. This could be a push into all-time highs here. QS. No. No pass. Kraft. Always have to look at that one because I've made money on that one all the time. Upstart. That looks pretty good here with a retest of the support. FedEx, Holy Grail again. So that's a nice one. Progressive, tight inside bar. And then we get back down to here. All right. That's that. Let's go. Let's see. Let's go back to SPY. Let me just see what's going on. Okay, so a little bit of selling pressure there. So I guess the bulls, some of these guys are locking in profits, which is a little bit interesting. I wonder if there's any plans for this long weekend. Let's see. So we'll see. Okay, let's do the outside bars now. See what we can find with those. All right, so we have MU, like we said. We have the VIX. Interesting. Tesla, Las Vegas Sands, UAL, Moderna, Disney. What else do we have? A lot of there are a lot of them, but I just want to focus on the ones that I normally trade. McDonald's. All right, it's a good list there. Let's go to the weekly. So we got the MU right there. So we know we're going to be playing that one. The VIX. I don't really trade the VIX, but it's more like an indicator. If you look at these outside bars, we don't really get much follow through. So not really too interested. Tesla, beautiful. That's beautiful right there on Tesla, guys. Nice outside bar. That's very, very strong. Las Vegas Sands. Not too interested in this one. It's because it's been doing a lot of chop. United Airlines. If you guys are interested in that, not really me, to be honest. Moderna, I like that. Disney, could try Disney here. Previous all-time highs back here. Coming to retest it. That makes sense. McDonald's, looking for a beautiful continuation into new all-time highs. Yeah, so that'll be my list right there, guys. Market is closed. So there we go, guys. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go and start preparing the swing trades for next week. And, you know, this week for SPY has been exceptional. It's been exceptional. I don't know how to describe it to you guys, but it's just been, I just feel like I'm getting in a groove, and it's been just amazing in the room. We've been hitting it like pretty hard. So I'm going to go right now, guys, and I'm going to put together some swing trades for you. I'm going to post them. I'm going to post them on Twitter, and then I'm going to post some additional orders for my members. So as always, guys, if you're interested in what I do and you want to support me, check me out at tradingwars.com only. Okay, nowhere else. All right, tradingwars.com. The SPY VIP room is $39 a month right now, but based on the results that I've been getting and based on all the feedback and the work that's required, I'm probably going to be increasing this next year. I just see, like, you know, a lot of people charging, you know, $150 a month and not even doing a quarter of what I'm doing. So, you know, I think it's time. I wanted to prove myself, and I feel like I did. And here's my swings right here, guys. You already know all the swings. So we're continuing with December. And as always, get a copy of the book. If you do, you get 1 month for free in any one of the rooms of your choice. So I encourage you to get the book because you get 1 month for free in the room. So you get the material and you get the ability to trade. And then the last thing, guys, SPY Options Mastery. The book is well on its way. I can show you guys some stuff here. Look, here is a lot of the stuff I've been writing about. And let me show you some charts. Some charts there. I'm going to be continuing to work on this. It's in a good spot. If you're interested in that, guys, if you sign up for the priority list, you get 10% off right here. and you get 1 month for free in the spy room once I'm done with the book. All right. So sign up for this if you haven't already. And I'm gonna do Spy Trading for a Living Part 5 on Sunday as well, so we can continue with the series and continue giving you guys solid content for you to learn. All right. All right, guys. So thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate you guys. I really hope you have a happy holidays. I'm grateful for you being here, and just try to enjoy it. Try to detach yourself from the market for a little bit so that you can spend time with your loved ones. And then we'll come back next week and we'll be hitting it strong. We'll be hitting it very, very strong, guys. So be ready, and let's make some money together. All right. Thanks for your time, guys. Take care. Happy holidays. I'll catch you tomorrow.